Topping news this evening, the government is preparing for a legal fight from the environmentalists to environmental groups over the issue of oil drilling. They're countering opposition to the deal which two administrations had a hand in. A court hearing took place today as Water Keepers Bahamas Limited and the Coalition to Protect Clifton Bay fight to stop the drilling to be undertaken by Bahamas Petroleum Company. Attorney General, the Honourable Carl Bethel, says the government is merely defending the decision which dates back more than a decade.
The oil company is merely acting pursuant to the authorization that has been given to it by the government of the Bahamas. So, in essence, there is a private sector group that wishes to prevent the exploration from occurring, and the government is defending itself from an action that has been brought against it, the government. BPC is not a party to the action at this time. They were not sued because what is being challenged is a government decision, and therefore the proper party is the government of the Bahamas, and we are merely defending the decisions that have been made by the government.
Now, the Attorney General noting that the first two approvals to BPC were given by the Christie administration and a third under the Ingram administration, as new environmental laws and regulations were also being sorted out.
In both instances, they forced the oil company to delay, in each instance for more than 2 years, any operations, while on the one hand, in the first Christie administration, they were negotiating the borderline with Cuba. That was completed by the third Ingram administration right afterwards. And then between 2012 and 2017, they delayed it again for more than 2 years while they promulgated new environmental laws and regulations, which do not necessarily apply to the oil company. Suffice it to say that there is a question whether it applies and to what extent the new laws apply. And I leave that for the court to decide.